Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is May 19, 2015, and today is Tuesday. So looking at the economic calendar, starting off, we have a GBP number coming out at 10:30 South African time. That's a CPI number. It's a inflationary number. Then we have at 11 a.m. a Euro number coming out, the German's weak economic sentiment. Also basically an economic report. And then at 2:30 South African time, USD building permits. We'll see what's going on with new building permits in the United States. So that's the lineup of economic calendar today. But first, let's look at the EURUSD. We're looking here. Okay. Let's look at a 4-hour chart. We're looking here at a big rally as we saw here before. We went all the way from 104 to 114. And now we've retraced a little bit. Let's look on the weekly chart. And now we're retracing a little bit. So this was, I anticipated this. I said this to you guys yesterday. We may falter, and we did. What is interesting is to see where it's going to stop. So in essence, picking it up at 1274, 1280 would have been a great place to pick it up. It's now trading at 1313. To anticipate that it's going to continue going up. It may not, because it made this double top. It may continue to go down. So I would first, take a first tier trade into it instead of going big. It's not a A+ trade. It's probably a B- trade with a retracement here with resistance up here. But if you are still bullish, and you think that it's going to continue going up, then you could slowly go into this trade and then see how it reacts. And if it maintains this level before it takes it up higher. So, in essence, to have sold off into this move would have been great. We didn't really retrace any of these spots here, and this is our first retracement. So keep an eye on it. It may develop into something really great. I'm going to jump into the Dow Jones just because we made new highs. Remember yesterday we had mentioned this. This is a picture of the Dow Jones, which is the New York Stock Exchange, and we're slowly making new highs, but we haven't really broken out. I really want to see this break out above 18,350 to see really that it's really going to continue going up. It's at 18,279 right now, continued buying, and so I think it's going to really pop, okay, in the next couple of days, next few days, maybe next week even. But we're posed, and I'd like to see a big bar up. Okay, that's really what I'd like to see. So if there is going to see something like this up here, like this type of bar up here, then you could be rest assured that it's going to continue going up. I want to see it really break out hard to show that it's really strong. At this pace, it's just trickling up and it's teasing, and it's very difficult to hold it if you are long, but it is very strong, and it's maintaining its momentum on the upside, but I want to see a confirmation of that. I want to see a big 300-point up day on this index. So going back to the GBPUSD, we retraced a little bit yesterday. If you're looking at a daily calendar here, again, it's reacting very much like the euro is, where we're retracing a little bit. We're now at this bottom range here. If it maintains this level, that's key. If it breaks it, then our next support level, I would say, is 154.70. But, opportunities abound. Okay, there is really trading going on, and there are things that are coming up in the market. So I would keep an eye on that. Looking at oil popped up a little bit as we spoke yesterday. You hit this 58 level, and boom, you pop up to 62. Now we're retraced a little bit, and we're trading at 60.21. So I think we're going to be in this range between 62 and 58 until we break out from either side. I would just keep an eye out on it. And if it does break up, then, you might want to trigger a buy on the upside. If it does break down, maybe trigger a sell on the downside. So this is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.